Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Code Unlocked Marketing Over Matter. My name is Jonathan Delamater, and today we are in Instagram Secrets Unlocked talking about the number one thing for growth, which is the content. Content is king, and I'm going to tell you how to make even better content using case studies and statistics and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in a second. Let's dive right in.
Marketing, business, money, mindset.
Alrighty, guys, so as we discussed, content is king. There's no way to grow a successful Instagram page without good quality content. And to some extent, which isn't listed in my slide here, is that regurgitating content and stealing other people's content is not the answer. I believe art, we can be inspired by a lot of things, but art and that X factor, which is really going to set your content apart, isn't going to come from somebody else's page. So get inspiration from others, but always bring your own expertise and your own experience to the table, and just think about the problem your audience is having and just a better way to solve it, or a different way. So let's dive right in. So you become your own art director, and this is some data to back it up. Blue images get 24% more likes than red ones, so maybe if you make more blue based imagery, you'll get more likes that way. You can use lighter images, those get more likes than darker images. Photos with faces, they get 38% more likes. Use the rule of thirds, which if you don't know, look it up. But it just means that images within the first third of the shot, like I'm trying to do now on my screen, or the second or the third, I'm gonna butcher it. So just look it up. But use the rule of thirds, or center people in the shot. Don't try to break the rules. It's statistically shown to capture attention in your eye if you use the rule of thirds, or things totally centered, especially if you're using the centered method for products. That's a good method to use. Images with a background get more engagement than not a background, so definitely pay attention to the background. Make sure there's something back there, something interesting. We see this all the time with people getting interviewed during COVID on the news, and they have weird stuff in the background, and the interviewer's always like, "Hey, what's that back there? Why you got that shrunken head back there? What kind of person are you?" So stuff like that. Even if it's blurry, that's okay. Images with visual texture beat out smoother images. Images with a single dominant color beat multiple colors. That's good to know. And make sure your shots are in focus and sharp and high quality. If you're using stock images, use that. Although organic imagery will tend to perform better than stock photos. Maybe you can doctor the stock photos or something, but just saying. If you're using text, make sure it's readable and at a fourth grade level of understanding. They say that's how Trump was able to get such a massive following, because he talks at a fourth grade level and the majority of the country just understands him. So you always fear what you don't understand, which is the other guy. So talking politics, but not really. Just make sure you use a fourth grade level of understanding to get the most following. Always use color over black and white, and create a unique feel or brand styling for your content. Meaning, if you go to my page, Marketing Over Matter, you'll see what I mean. There's a definitive style that runs across from my profile picture down the whole page. So do that with your content too. Definitely work on your aesthetic. You can try different things, see what your audience tends to like over other things. Sometimes don't feel bad if you're not a stylist or whatever. Just go with what the audience likes. I always say hire a designer, because that's going to be the most professional, and they know what they're doing. But just work on the consistency between your posts, and simple is usually better too. So just keep it simple. Some of the most viral posts are literally just like a sentence with a black background. So sometimes simple is better. So as long as it's consistent across your whole brand, just keep it that way. And that's all I'm going to say for that. But subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.